Hello guys, welcome back to Grizzly Technologies YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. Welcome. Today we are going to remove the screen for Lenovo X260. Yeah. So I have all my tools here with me. First we will use the flat. No, this is the star. We're going to use we will use this flat. In most cases, we have our laptops. In most cases, the laptops have bolts here, but in this case, this one has no bolts. So what we will use is this flat. First thing is to find a weak point here. Yes, that way. Then we flow with it. So you have to be very gentle so as not to break the After reaching there, you come this other side, you do the same. Then after that, you make sure the screen is fully opened. Oh yes. Then use the same tool, you fix here and there we go. We remove the parts, the front part, and put it somewhere there. And here is our screen. After that, take it gently. Then here there is the cable, is the display cable. First, we remove that hook over there. Then we pull it gently that way, and the screen is now out. So we will have to find another screen like this, then replace it. See you in the next video.